If you want to use offline maps on your Apple Watch, first of all, you will have to start using your iPhone. There's like no any other way to use them. So on your iPhone, you have to start by opening Maps application. Now you will have to click on the right bottom corner on your profile picture, and over here, go into the offline maps. Right now, you got some suggested maps, but you can also click on the plus in the right upper corner and simply pick the other city. In my case, from the recent, I'm gonna go for the Vienna. Now, as you can see, by making those changes, by dragging these sliders into the right, left, up and down, we are able to increase or decrease size of our offline map. You can also use this pinch gesture to make it faster. But in my case, let's say that I want to only navigate in the Vienna city. So I will go with this map. Now we have to click on the download button. So this is the size. Of course, you have to make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. In this case, if I will be connected only to the mobile data, then I will be not able to download them because as default, it's set for the Wi-Fi only. So I have to make sure that I switch to the Wi-Fi and the mobile data if I only want to use mobile data. Now, as you can see, I've got some other options for automatic updates. So it will refreshes my maps to keep them current. And also it can optimize storage to automatically remove downloaded maps that we haven't used in a while. And also make sure that you turn on sync with Apple Watch. So all of those downloads will be automatically synchronized into your Maps application on your Apple Watch. And there's also another option, only use offline maps, so we can use only downloaded maps even when you have an internet connection. So it's useful when you have, for example, a low battery level on your Apple Watch, so we'll only navigate by using offline maps. And as you can see, it's pending right now. It will start automatically transferring when we put our Apple Watch on the charger. So we have to do this right now. Take a look, I just put my Apple Watch into the charger. I'm able to click on the downloading button, but now as you can see, it just starts automatically. So now we just have to simply wait until it will be downloaded on our Apple Watch. Okay, so now as you can see, it looks like the map is already on our Apple Watch. So let's quickly check this. Yeah, as you can see, we can find Vienna map over here. So now let's turn off location and also Wi-Fi and mobile data, and let's see if it works. So now as you can see, my location is turned off, but we already got the preview of Vienna. Let's try to navigate. And yeah, as you can see, it's working properly. Let's try to get some directions. And there we go. We got our route, so we can tap on it and basically get a preview. And now as you can see, we can navigate without Wi-Fi, mobile data and location turned on.